My name is Ms Tiyani Ngoveni. I'm a first-year mechanical engineering student at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. As a person who grew up in a gender stereotypical household, I chose engineering because I believe that what a man can do, a woman can do. From birth until grade 9, my father was the only working parent at home. My dad wanted more male kids, hence he left us to start a second family. This led us to financial difficulties and my mom had to go back to school. The academic competition at home pushed me to perform well at school. My dad's departure inspired me to be an independent woman and pursue mechanical engineering. The funding has assisted me by paying my tuition fees, accommodation, and my meals. This helps me because I am relieved from financial stress and I can fully focus on my studies. And it will also assist my mom to save up for my siblings' higher education fees. To the UKZN Foundation and Smith Manufacturing, I would like to say thank you. I really appreciate it and I am really grateful for this opportunity. To my peers, don't let your background define you. Never forget the values you have learned from your community. Work hard and never give up. And remember, an expert in anything was once a beginner.